What's up guys? You don't know this, but I know this, and it's pretty crazy that I'm sitting down and recording this. I just use this a lot, but seriously, this is my third time trying to record this. It's crazy that like I'm recording this on May 30th. It's almost June and I haven't unbagged my Ipsy on YouTube yet, and I've used some products already. This is honestly the third time I'm trying to do this. Like, this video was supposed to go up last week sometime, but what happened was the first recording was super blurry. Sorry. The second recording, I was halfway through and like I got a knock on my door and it was a cop, because my boyfriend apparently had appendicitis, like acute appendicitis, and we didn't know, but we did some lab work and the cop came because the hospital couldn't get a hold of him and was like, hey, he's having a medical emergency, you gotta go to the hospital now. So it's been crazy. This is my third time trying to record this and post this and let you know what I got in my Ipsy bag. Alright, so I won't delay it any longer. Let's just jump into it. This is what the bag looked like. I'm sure everyone knows because it's freaking May 30th. The back is this really pretty salmon with a little Ipsy. It's cute. This is cute. This it's cute because it's like the passport. So there were 5 products in my bag. I have tried one of them, actually. I tried one of them. We'll just start with that one. It's the Derma E Essentials Radiance Toner. I love this thing. I got it like right at perfect timing because I just ran out of my toner, so I was like, ooh, toner. It's got glycolic acid and rooibos. Don't know what that is, but it is alcohol free, and that's kind of all I pay attention to with toner. Is it alcohol free? Give it and put it on my face after I wash my face, okay? Love that thing. It smells really bad, but what toner smells good unless there's fragrance added, and you don't want fragrance added because that's just extra chemicals for your face. Next, it was an eyeliner. I got an eyeliner in all 3 of my subscriptions, I think. Yeah, I did. I got an eyeliner in all 3. In the Ipsy bag, I got the Ico London. That's where I draw the line. It's waterproof, lash enhancing. I did not read that. And carbon black. It is carbon black. Let's compare it. Alright, so this Ico one is right here. This is my ink liner, that's my ink liner, that's my tattoo liner. So the ink liner is the darkest, but this Ico one is the second darkest. That's a tangent. I haven't tried it yet. My biggest fear with trying eyeliner is that I have to be at home all day. Like, I can't go grocery shopping. I do not want to leave the house if I'm trying on a new eyeliner, because my eyeliners just love to transfer eyeliner from my lids to my lids, from my lash line to my eyelids, and it's gross looking, so I don't like that. So I don't like trying new eyeliner if I'm going to leave the house, so I haven't tried it yet, and it claims to be waterproof. This one actually dries the most matte, it looks like, so pretty excited. I am excited to try it out. I love eyeliner. I wear eyeliner all the time, basically every single day. Like, I always have eyeliner on. And if it really is lash enhancing, you know, your Asian girl will take that one. Okay, the next thing in here is a single eyeshadow. I don't like single eyeshadows because I don't like storing them. You have to get a Z palette, you gotta put them in, you don't remember where they came from, you don't remember the brand. Like, this one is from Elizabeth Mott and it's called Pop Goes the Shadow, and it's in the shade Mermaid Teal. A better fitting name would be Hooker Blue, because this is what it looks like. I love blue eyeshadow and blue in general, but when I was a kid, like when I thought of blue eyeshadow and I thought of Hooker Blue eyeshadow, this is the exact shade I thought of. But looking up closely, like, it looks really blue from far away, but now I understand the Mermaid Teal. You get closer to it and like it has like a green teal reflect in it that's actually really, really pretty, but I would still probably call it a Hooker Blue. Next in here is something that I was actually super excited about because I love the shade of it. I love the shade of it. It is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour, and also it's in the shade called Trophy Wife, and maybe it's so fitting that I love the shade and I love the shade name. Don't we all just want to be trophy wives one day? Anyway, I haven't used it yet actually, but it is such a pretty color. Like, if I picked a lip color, this would be the lip color I pick. And last month in the BoxyCharm box, I got the Odessa high definition liquid lipstick, and that shade, oh my god, it's just, I love the shade, like the mauve-y, Okay, moving on, getting crazy. I got a mask and it's a poreless carbonic peel, and at first I thought it was one of those crazy things where it peels off all the freaking hairs off your face, and I was like, that's gonna be super painful. But then I was like, nah, that's not it. And then I thought it was a, sorry, I had a burp. I thought it was a, I just read carbonic and now I can't remember the word. I thought it was a charcoal mask, and then I realized it wasn't even that, and I realized it has carbonated water in here. Is that not crazy? This is soda for your skin. Can you just imagine like pouring soda over your face? It's like a Korean mask, and I haven't tried it yet. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of masks. I feel like you have to use them so consistently in order to have any sort of results, and like changing it up like gives you different results and doesn't really give you any results. So I'll try it. I don't mask as often as I should. I try to do every 2 weeks, but honestly, it's like every 3 weeks or 4 weeks, to be honest with. I guess maybe if I did it a little bit more consistently, I would like it better. Alright, so that is take 3 of this video, and I'm not doing a take 4. Like, I don't care what this looks like. I don't care if there was a booger in my nose the whole time, or if like my hair was up here the whole time. This video is going up. Do not care. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you want to see me right now, you can click right there. If you want to see me next time, click up there and subscribe, and then I'll see you next time.